Hi, this is Sulekha Rani, PGD Chemistry, Kendra Vidyalaya, INS Dronacharya. Today I am going to talk about Google Classroom, how to create and how to upload the material, and also how to assign the assignment to the students, and how to evaluate. So for that, first we need, as usual, for Google applications, we need using a Gmail ID, and we are having already sign in with a Google account. And after sign in, you can see here nine dots. Click on that nine dots. You can find your Google Classroom applications there. You just scroll this scroll bar. Just you can see one icon like this. That is Classroom, and just click on that. So if you are, it's already connected with our Gmail account, so that the whatever we are uploading or doing here, data will be saved in your Google Drive. Here already created two classrooms, for one is demo and one is my class to be. And now I will show you how to create a classroom. In the right corner we have a plus sign. That is a sign for create a classroom. Just click on that, so that you will have two options. One is join class and one is create class. A join class is for joining to somebody is organized a class, some other teacher or some other thing. When we are they are asking us to join the class, we can click on this, and by using a code or a link we can join that class. But here I am going to do a create a class. Click on the create class. First a policy permission. Just click here, a tick, give it, and just continue. And then you will get a box which give the information about your class. So I'm going to give the first is class name. So give your class name, class 12. Mm, I'm giving class 12, and the section, A session, and subject which I am handling is a chemistry subject. So we have here already chemistry, and the room. If you have a school, if you have a room number, a particular room is this particular. So in my school, instead of roll number, we will write this ground floor. Uh, mm, and it is not necessary, but if you have a room number, you can give ground floor 12. Okay, so I can create this classroom. Just click on the create. It will form a classroom where we can upload all the materials, like PPT, PDF, or your video, whatever, and also you can share your Google Drive like that. Now we got a classroom here. A theme is there for your class theme. We can change the theme. Just select here in the right side, in the bottom area. Here, select the theme and upload photo is there. If you want your own customized photo, just click on the upload photo, and you can select photo from your device and upload here. But I am going to select a theme. It's already customized by this Google, and it's already there. You can see here different templates, and it's have general templates: English and history, maths and science, arts, sports, and other subjects. So I'm consider because I am in the science category, so I will just select the science, so that science, in that I can select the chemistry. So I selected the chemistry theme, and just I am giving to select the theme. So we gave a selection, select a theme. I gave a theme for my classroom. Now next we know to what is a class code. This code we are going to share with the students to join to this particular classroom. So that is a code for this classroom is, you can see here class code here, and just click on that the square box. It will display this is a class code IAG3NPW, and this using this class code, anyone can join to this particular classroom from the admin area, like G Suite and all. When we are using from the admin area, we can control also. You can permission, you can give the permission to those who are wanted to join this classroom based on the admin side. Now here, using this, you can add any number of students, like you can give this code and you can share this code. Okay, and now, main part of this particular Google Classroom is a four part. One is stream, classwork, people, and grade. So, in the above category, you can see here stream, classwork, people, and grade. Now, here I am going to talk about stream. Stream is actually the same thing which we now created. This is a stream like class 12 VA and all these things. And here you can see all the whatever activity you are doing, you will get the things here. And also if you want to share something, some messages, here you can write the messages and share it, so that which are the students joined in this classroom, here you can write submit your some consent form, like that you can write anything and you can post it here, so that those all members, those who are joined in this classroom, if 40 students are there, all can see same time. And also you can add some notice or something like that for communicating to the whole class. You can use this area. Now just next one is classwork. Classwork. Okay. And so what change I did, you can now classwork is we are I'm going to create a classwork. So what are the items we can do under classwork is, so you can assign assignments and all. Also you can conduct questions, like conduct quiz, or any question paper, you can upload it and you can ask them to write the answers. And also you can create quiz form, already Google forms are there. And also we can submit or upload the materials which we wanted to give to students for reference, like textbook materials or any other material which we are preparing, like PPT, PDF formats, or any notes which we are wanted to share with the students. Like that, we can use this platform. So here, classwork, under classwork, first one is create. So click on the create. So you have a different options: assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse the post, and topic. So first thing is I'm going to take the topic level. So topic means you the child can categorize different like chapter wise topic, or if you are giving some other instructions like practical instruction or whatever it is, it come under the topic area. So click on the topic. So I'm going to first giving a type. Now you know what is such a syllabus change, so I can give a curriculum of 2000 2021, because there is a change in that curriculum. So I wanted to ensure every child got that particular information. So that I am typing this curriculum 2020-21 and add I created a topic. Okay. And even I can create again another topic. For example, I can create one chapter one. So chapter this chapter we are having handling the chapter. So chapter one, that surface chemistry or anything or a solid state. Okay. So like that we can just add the sub, like this you will have different topics also. And when you are clicking here also, we can rearrange it. For example, I want the curriculum first, and chapter 1 solid state second, or I want this solid state I want as a first point. So if you want, I can. So I am going to arrange first curriculum, then chapter 1, chapter 2, like that. So just I will move up, and so that curriculum will be number one. And whatever we are creating, or it can be come from the downward, because whenever we are adding something, it will come up. Okay. And you can rearrange it, this one. Okay. And now under curriculum. So under curriculum, just click on the curriculum area, and under that I am going to create some post. So here we have a like this curriculum area. Just click here. Even we can rename this like, okay. So that now all topics, so just I'm going to create a material. So I'm going to upload a material. So in that material will come under title. I can give, for example, curriculum changes in chemistry. Okay. Curriculum changes in chemistry for 2020-21. Okay. And here I can add that a particular material. Just click on add. Either you can select from your Google Drive or link. I am taking from my device, my laptop, so that I click on the file, and recent files are here in Google Drive. These are the Google Drive items, and just I am going to upload. So in upload, we have you can select from your device. So just click on the browse. So which area we are connected this particular thing. So just I'm going to just curriculum. So I need a class 12 curriculum, revised curriculum. I click on that PDF. just open it. So here it will upload it. Okay, so that particular PDF will upload it here, and in this, so it came here. You can see here that PDF came here, and it's automatically saved in our Google Drive. So we can share this one, and so I just added, and I click here, just come to this area. I need to post, whether we wanted to post or whether we wanted to schedule for particular day, or we can save as a draft, so you can later you can upload it. Now I am just posting that material to my curriculum, so that this post we can drag, just how to drag, just select that particular thing, and you can select it and drag it into under curriculum, so that will come under curriculum. Okay, and now I need a curriculum for again we can go to create, and just we can upload a material. So just click on the material, again same thing will come. So I want the syllabus, practical syllabus, so I am going to upload practical syllabus for students for 2020-21 practical syllabus chemistry, 12th chemistry. Okay, and so again we can go for add from file, so we can select from my device, so upload, take select from browser. So I'm going to take practical syllabus, so just to see where my practicals. mm, so here class 12 practicals, just select and open it, and it will come here. Now this is the uploading thing. Now it came here, and after when it came here, just I'm going to post it class 12. And so this is also just I select that, drag it into under curriculum. Okay, so here I posted a two material under curriculum. So there is a practical syllabus and the curriculum changes. So this one is those who joined in this particular classroom, they can also see the same thing, so that child can see which are the practical, and they, even they wanted to download, they can download it, or they can save it in their Google Drive and their desktop or their laptop. Now here the concept is even we are having, for example, if I wanted to next chapter solid state, if I wanted to post one ppt, so again the same thing is possible. Just I create the material, and I can post a ppt of, for example, I am adding a ppt of a solid state. This time showing one example, and add from your device, upload from the device, go to browse, and you can upload a ppt here, PowerPoint. So just I'm adding this file copy, or okay, just file copy I'm selecting just for example. So I just brought that ppt here, so ppt is here, and you can post it. Okay, now the ppt came here, so I can bring it into the solid state category. So now you see, I took two topics, and under the topic I arranged my material. Similarly, you can bring a question, like create assignment. Okay, similar, same thing. You can add here your question paper. Now, when you are giving an assignment, how to do it, I will tell you. Title, and you can give the description. So read this particular chapter and solve this question, and you are adding your question material here, questions you are adding, and after that you can assign to this particular classes. And if you want to assign both class 12A and 12B, you can click on both 12A 12B. You no need to separate, go to separate classroom and send it. You can just click on 12th A and also 12th B. You are going to send the same material, And whether you want all students, it is all students already. And points, if for example you wanted a 20 mark question, just type here 20. And due date, so you can give a due date. So if you are assigning the assignment on today, just you are giving 1 week, so you are 29th you are keeping, so 22nd you are assigning, and 29th you are keeping, and you can have a time also. So I am going to keep a time before somewhat 4 p.m. Okay, so before 4 p.m. they need to submit the assignment. So I arranged Wednesday, July, before July 29th, they need to, that is a due date. So now topic means even you can select the chapters names also here, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. Now what do you mean by this rubric? Actually, if you wanted to assign, tell clearly 2 mark for this, 3 mark for this, like that, a marking scheme you can give as a rubric. That depend on the topic you can, or if you don't want, you don't want, no need to give this. So after creating and this, just to go for assign the assignment, and that also you can assign, or also you can save it for the future purpose, or you can schedule it a date in calendar, Google Calendar, or you can assign on that on the spot. You can assign this particular assignment to these two classes. So this is the way we are creating assignment. Now another one is a quiz. So for example, here quiz assignments are there. For quiz assignments, here already Google Forms are there. Actually, Google Forms which we created. You can see which we created. Like you can create in even if you have your some of the question paper, if it is available to you like this. For example, you have certain questions are available, you just click on that and come back to the here, and you can add here. Like Google Forms are there, you can type the link also here for a Google Form, no need to even upload it. Okay. Now this is a one other option for a quiz, creating quiz, like that. Now here even you can upload a video also, you can upload a PPT, you can upload PDF, all these things you can add it to here. Now how we are people means which are the students joined in this particular classroom. For that I will show you the another one classroom which I created, that is told to be. Just click on the people side, so you can see few students names are there, and these students can observe and they can see my work which we I uploaded here. Okay. And how their actions, like how they did the assignments and all. For example, just I click on this particular boy, I can see that he submitted one particular assignment here. Just click on that assignment. Here you can see one assignment he submitted solutions. Okay, so the child will submit the assignment in the same format. They can that I will show you how the student side in another tutorial. So here I can, this time clicking here, he started with one picture, and this is his assignment. I can click on that particular assignment. I can see his assignment. So I will see how his assignment. So this is the assignment which he submitted in a PDF format, so that you can guide the students to scan their notebook for this particular assignment. Here I can see the child did NCRT questions, so solved questions. He write it in the homework book. This is his homework book, and he wrote the answers. And I can check like this. You can check question number one by one questions. I can check it. And if I wanted to write for example, if this is not the, this is the wrong answer, just I am telling one example. Imagine what answer he wrote as a this particular C2H5OH is wrong. So that I needed to just click on here, add comment. There is here you can see one option positive, that is add a comment. So highlight the area. First you need to go and highlight the area. You can write it is not C2H5OH. It is not ethanol. You can write. You can change this into some other. Is it if it's a wrong answer? You can write there. If you change it as a propanol. Okay. So it's instead of ethanol, the answer is propanol. Or like that, what mistake you are identified. So for example, just I will write. I will find some more questions from here. You can see, for example, if he not wrote a unit or some mistake if you are observing. For example, here if you saw the answer should be not in percentage, it should be in the other. So you just click on that and write here convert, and it's not. You have to find the weight instead of percentage. Instead of percentage, you need to calculate, you need to find the weight. Like that, some comments you can give to students. So just to give a comment, so that comment will be here with the highlighted way. So when a child is checking this area, when we are returning this material to back to the students, they can see here he find answer, and I wrote that instead of percentage you need to find the weight, so that child got idea what to do. Okay, so like this you can give a comment. For example, I want to, this answer is not perfect. Okay, so just I gave a comment as a, just I selected this particular. So how we will do this, I'll tell you. Just select that question, complete question, and you can give a comment here, rewrite this answer, rewrite this answer and give a comment. So when we are seeing this highlighted portion, the child also will understood what to do. This is the way we need to evaluate child answer. Either answer is wrong or answer having some, if the answer is not perfect, like that. Now already we gave a 20 mark, so you can give here out of 20 what mark you are planning. If you imagine you got if a child can get 80 mark, you can give 80 mark, like that. And also you can give a comments here, what comment, private comments about the thing, a perfect way of writing. You can give a positive approach also, your way of writing is good. Or you can write his drawbacks, this particular question, this is not the answer, like that. Also you can give it and post it. And after doing all these things, you should click on the return. Okay, just click on the return, so that click on return. So this material is going back to your students, and they can observe what are the comments we wrote. And also if you want to download this particular notes, here there is an option, the download is also there. And also you can take the printout of the, if you find the child work is so perfect, even you can take the printout. Or if you are planning for the evidence for assessment, we can take like examination. If you are conducting a particular sheet, like we are conducting PISA exam and all, they can send through this and you can take the printout. So children are writing in a paper and submitting here, and you can take the printout directly from this particular platform. So this is called a classroom how to evaluate. Okay, so after evaluation, you can see a child how their classroom. For example, if I take class 12B, if I am going to the grade area, you can see the students, those who are submitted. So here, this child is not submitted, only one child is submitted, so I gave mark 80. So no due date. So like this you can see the students grading also, you can do here. And you can take the you can they can use, you can take the printout of this, and so that you can keep it as a report of your answers or your examination marks. So these are the important things in the Google Classrooms. Thank you.